A day in the life of an electrician.
Right, so the first thing that I do in the mornings is check my emails, check my Tradify, see what jobs I got going on, see what emails I got to reply to, have my cup of coffee, and then I'm off to the job. So you're coming with me. Right, so I'm in the van now. We're off to the job. It's in Bristol, so it's like 55 minutes away from me. So bit of a drive, but it is what it is. Let's go. So we're at the job now. I'm just waiting for one of the other guys to turn up. So I'm just going to have a quick sort out the van, get my tools ready for the job, and then we're going to jump inside. So all I'm doing is just getting some of these tools and other little bits into this pouch. So I just got it on me for the day, so I'm not carrying loads of stuff in. So we're doing a board change, nice 3-phase one. All fun and games. I think we're working till like 12 tonight, so that's all fun as well. So it is now 9:20 at night, and yeah, we've had enough now. We've got another hour or so work and we'll be home. But I just wanted to show you that you can actually get 3-phase RCDs. Not many people know you can get these, but handy if you're working on 3-phase circuits that require RCD protection. They are expensive, but good bits of kit. Right, so we just got back home. It's late, I'm tired. I'm glad I done all the paperwork this morning. Luckily, Tradify speeded that up for me. Otherwise, I'd be doing it tonight as well. So at least that's all done. Get to bed and we'll do all the same again tomorrow.